What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is if you're interested in the Microsoft Surface Duo. Remember, this is Microsoft's dual screen folding phone that kind of is a phone, kind of a tablet. Well, Dave2D is a YouTuber, and he has released a video today showing off the Microsoft Surface Duo. Now, he doesn't really show it turned on. He kind of just shows the body and talks about using it. He shows a little bit of the phone, like when it's turned on, but very, very small amount, like seconds worth of video. And then he just shows the actual hardware for the most part. But what I wanted to say is, if you're interested in that phone, I have a very exclusive interview tomorrow. It's a 20+ minute interview with Harry McCracken, who has this phone in hand, and we talk. It's almost like a little review of the phone in terms of we talk about it, the performance of it, the cameras, the screen, the speakers, the software. We talk about basically everything about the phone, and it's going to give you a good idea if you're going to want it, or even if you're just interested in how it is overall. You're going to want to watch that. It's going to be released tomorrow early morning, so make sure you have notifications turned on and make sure you check that video out. Next up is all about the Google Pixel 4a 5G and the Google Pixel 5. Now, this comes from Roland Quambity saying the 4a 5G phone will have 128 gigabytes storage, as will the Google Pixel 5. So both will have 128 gigabytes of storage. The Google Pixel 4a 5G display will be 6.2 inches and will cost $499 when it's launched. The Google Pixel 5, in terms of specs, will have a 6-inch flat display. It will be an OLED display at that, and it'll run at 90 Hertz. The battery is considerably larger than the Google Pixel 4. Also, wireless charging is supported with 15-watt fast charging for wireless charging and 5-watt when you want to charge something on the back of it. Also, there's 8 gigabytes of RAM, and the phone should be announced at a September 30th event. And this is just a quick look at the phone. You can see right here, fingerprint sensor on the back, which I think is the best place to put it. You also have the cameras on the back. You're gonna get, looks like dual cameras, tri-cameras on the back there. Also the camera in the top left, so you just get that hole punch. Very simple, modern design. If you have a Galaxy Note 20, Note 20 Ultra, and you lost your pen, you broke it, or you just wanna get a different color, well, we know how much they're going to cost. You can't buy one at the time of me making this video, but you can get basically any color when they are announced. And it looks like they're gonna cost about 40 bucks when they officially come out to be purchased. And you'll be able to get it in black, green, white, copper, or gray. And also, speaking about the Galaxy Note 20, Note 20 Ultra, today's the official release date, so you can go in and buy it. If you want to go to Best Buy or your carrier store, you should be able to buy it unless they're sold out. Samsung store, kind of a different story. Like I have the 512, that's pushed all the way back till September 25th, at least the unlocked version of it is. If you want to get the 128, you can get the black and get that delivered as early as August 25th, but some of the other colors are pushed back to like September 11th or September 25th. So if you're thinking about getting this phone, I wouldn't hold off too much longer. It's a really great phone. Without a doubt, it's the best Samsung phone, but it's funny. It's just, I feel like, improved the things that were wrong with the S20 Ultra, and they shouldn't even have been broken in the first place, like the camera focus and things like that. It's a great phone. You're gonna love it if you get it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, if you have the Galaxy Note 20, Note 20 Ultra, do you think they got anything wrong with the phone? Let me know in the comments down below. Like, did they mess anything up? Is there something missing that should have been included? Let me know. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace.